Today, we will explore how plastic syringes are made, starting from tiny raw pellets. These small plastic granules may look simple, but they are the foundation of an important medical tool used all over the world. Watch closely as these pellets go through an incredible transformation, turning into precise, life-saving syringe components. It all begins with high-quality, medical-grade plastic pellets, carefully selected to meet strict safety standards. These pellets are slowly poured into a large hopper, where the manufacturing process begins. From here, they are fed into a powerful melting machine, designed to handle extremely high temperatures. Inside the machine, the pellets are gradually heated, until they melt completely into a thick, liquid form. This molten plastic is then pushed forward, and injected into specially designed molds, with extreme precision and speed. These molds are engineered to form the exact shape of the syringe barrel, down to the smallest detail. As the molds open, the newly formed syringe bodies begin to appear, still warm and delicate. They are gently released onto a moving conveyor system, where the next stage begins. Along the conveyor, the syringe bodies are cooled in a controlled environment, allowing them to harden properly. This cooling process is very important, because it ensures strength, durability, and perfect shape. At the same time, another essential component is being produced, the plunger. Just like the barrels, plungers are created using a similar molding process, with equal precision. After molding, the plungers are cooled carefully, so they maintain their exact dimensions. Once both parts are ready, they are transported to the assembly section of the factory. Here, the process of combining the components begins. Each plunger is inserted into a syringe barrel, either manually or with automated systems. In advanced production lines, machines perform this task rapidly, assembling thousands of units every hour. Despite automation, skilled workers monitor the process closely, ensuring everything is aligned perfectly. Even the smallest misalignment can affect performance, so attention to detail is critical. After assembly, the syringes continue their journey along the conveyor system, moving toward inspection. Large quantities of syringes move together, forming a continuous flow through the production line. Now begins one of the most important stages, quality control. Each syringe tip is carefully inspected, to ensure it is properly formed and safe to use. The barrel is also examined closely, checking for any cracks, rough edges, or imperfections.